Hey, follow along as I do today's dictation. We're going to continue working on A magic E today. The first word we're going to write is bake. B-A-K, bake. B-A-K, bake. Bake. Number 2 is crane. Crane, 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 crane. Rewrite the word crane. Number 3, gave. G-A-V, gave. G-A-V, gave. Rewrite the word gave. Number 4 is a two-syllable word. The word is pancake. First syllable is pan. P-A-N. So we hear the a, so it's a short a, pan. Second syllable is cake. K-A-K, cake. K-A-K, cake. I hear a long A, magic E here in the word pancake. Number 5 is the word plate. Plate, plate. Plate, plate. Plate. Number 6 is the word spade. Spade, spade. Spade, spade. Rewrite the word spade. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Bake, crane, gave, pancake, plate, spade.